Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip the ends of the filament you want connecting, and you get some of this silicone tubing. That's the serial number of Amazon. I'll then cut a smidgen of this off, not too much. Get the angle on this properly. I'll do it at an angle because it helps fuse them together a bit better. But somebody else might have a better idea than me, so this is the only way I found out how to do it for myself anyway. Then I shall grab whatever I've done with it. It's up here, this little tool. This is off of either Thangs or Printer Bowls or Colts, I can't remember exactly, but you can either have it like this, you can get it in properly of course. You can hold it like this if you want, but I'll put it in a vise to help me hold it. So they've come apart a bit. Twist it around to get them joined on, which is there. You can see the seam just there, and you get your hot end and just gently rub it on it. You can use a soldering iron, but I'm using my pyograph tool, which seems to be a lot easier, I think, for me. Keep pushing it just to make sure it's joining. It takes a bit of practice to get it. I'm not sure if that's done it or not, but let it cool down for a bit, just for a minute. That feels like it's fused. Hopefully that feels alright. And you gently cut off the silicone cover. It has got a lump there. You don't get it all the time, but you can either sand it down, but that's really strong. I mean, I'll probably sand that down or do it again. I might do that again, but when you get it nice and flush, it runs through your printer. That's how I weld mine together to get a longer piece, and it's pretty robust. So hopefully that helps anyone out. And I've also got a bottom of a pop bottle cutter which I'm designing as well. It works okay at the minute, but it's not very safe, so I'll put that on later. Hopefully that'll help people out.